Hello students, in last session we have discussed commutativity, associativity and distributivity of integers. Let us see how calculation can be made easier using these properties. For example, (16 multiplied by 12). Here, suppose I want to do the product of 16 and 12. So, here 16 into 12. 12 can be written as 16 multiplied by 10 plus 2. We can write 10 plus 2 instead of 12 because 12 is nearer the round figure 10. Now use distributive property that is 16 in one bracket 16 into 10 plus in second bracket 16 into 2. Here 16 into 10 160 plus 16 into 2 32. So the answer is 192. Without doing multiplication, by using this property, distributive property, we can find the product of 16 and 12. Let us see another example. Minus 35 multiplied by minus 98. Here 98 is nearer to 100. So we can write minus 100 plus 2 instead of minus 98 because minus 100 plus 2 is equal to minus 98. Now use once again distributive property. So in one bracket write minus 35 multiplied by minus 100 plus in second bracket minus 35 multiplied by 2. Minus 35 multiplied by 100. So 3500 plus minus 35 multiplied by 2 minus 70. So the answer is one is the positive integer and one is the negative integer. So their addition 3530 because the here the greater number is positive. So the answer is in positive integer. So you can do the product easily by using this property. Next, 52 multiplied by minus 8 plus minus 52 multiplied by 2. Here this is the here 1 is 52, here minus 52. This is the first term and this is the second term. In these two terms 52 is common, but here is plus 52 and here minus 52. So you can write 52 multiplied by minus 8 plus 52 multiplied by minus 2. Transfer this minus sign to here. Now 52 is common. So 52 is common and write minus 8 plus minus 2 in one bracket is equal to 52 multiplied by minus 8 plus minus 2. Addition of two negative integer. So the answer is minus 10. Now 52 multiplied by minus 10 is equal to minus 520. So using these properties you can do the product of integers easily. Now next example, find the product of minus 20 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by 7. Here arrange the integers in that way that you can find the round figure. As a product you get the round figure. Here you can see minus 2 multiplied by minus 5 is equal to 10 and 10 round figure 10 is. So write minus 20 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 5 in one bracket multiplied by 7 is equal to minus 20 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 5 10 multiplied by 7. Now put this in one bracket. So once again you get the round figure. Minus 200 multiplied by 7 is equal to minus 1400. Next example, eight multiplied by 53 multiplied by minus 125. Remember this few product. 25 multiplied by 4 is equal to 100. Next 20 multiplied by 5 is equal to 100. 125 multiplied by 8 is equal to 1000. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. Here you can see 8 multiplied by 125 is equal to 1000. So use this here. So put 8 multiplied by minus 125 in one bracket and 53 outside the bracket. 8 multiplied by 125 is equal to minus 1000 multiplied by 53. So your answer is minus 53,000. So you can find the product using these suitable properties. Next, verify. Verify minus 30 multiplied by 13 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 30 multiplied by 13 plus in second bracket minus 30 multiplied by minus 3. This is your LHS left hand side and this is your right hand side. First we will check left hand side. Is equal to minus 30 multiplied by 13 plus minus 3 is equal to 10. So the answer is minus 300. Now RHS. RHS is equal to in one bracket minus 30 multiplied by 13 plus minus 30 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to minus 30 multiplied by 13. 13 3s are 39 and 0. So 30 minus 30 into 13 is equal to minus 390 plus minus 30 multiplied by minus 3. 3 3s are 9. So the answer, and minus into minus, here 2 negative integer, we get the positive integer 90. Minus 390 plus 90 is equal to minus 300. Here you can see LHS and RHS are equal. So in this way you can verify this simplification. Next example, in a textbook you can see example 4. In a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Gurupreet attempts all questions but only 9 of her answers are correct. What is her total score? And second question, one of her friends get only 5 answers correct. What will be her score? Here in question number 1 we can first what is given, 15 questions are given, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. So Gurupreet attempts all questions but only 9 of her questions are correct. What is her score? Here is 9 questions are correct and marks given for correct answer is 9. Marks given for correct answers is 9. So marks given for correct answer is 4. So Gurupreet get 4 into 9 is equal to 36 marks and marks given for incorrect answer is minus 2. So marks given for 6 is equal to 15 minus 9 incorrect answer. How many are incorrect answer? Out of 15, 9 are correct answer. So how many answers are incorrect? 6 answers are incorrect. So 6 multiplied by minus 2 because minus 2 marks for every incorrect answer. So marks given for incorrect answer is equal to minus 12. 6 2s are minus 12. So Gurupreet's total score is equal to 36 plus minus 12 is equal to 24. So Gurupreet's total score is 24. Once again, total questions are 50. Right? Gurupreet attempts all questions. That is, Gurupreet attempts 15 questions. But only 9 of her answers are correct. So 9 are correct answer and 6 are incorrect answer. She get 4 marks for correct answer. So 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to 36. And for incorrect answer, she get minus 2. So 6 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 12. Now the total score is 36 for correct answers and minus 12 for incorrect answer. So the score is 24. Second question. One of her friends gets only 5 answers correct. What will be her score? Second, out of 15, one of her friend get only 5 correct answer. So marks given for correct answer is 4. So 5 are correct answer. So 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20 marks. So her friend get 20 marks for correct answer. Now 15 out of 15, 5 is correct answer. That means 15 minus 5 is equal to 10 are incorrect answer. So marks given for incorrect answer is 10 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 20. Marks given for incorrect answer is minus 20. Therefore, her friend's total score is equal to 20 for correct answer plus minus 20 for incorrect answer is equal to 0. So you can do this example, using this example you can solve exercise 1.3.